Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Office in your Windows 10 or 11. Just search this address account.microsoft.com, login, and here click on services and subscriptions, and here is the option products you purchased. So just you have to click on here install. To activate Office, open an Office app like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and sign in with your account. So just you have to click here install. Download and install Office. When you install Office, Microsoft collect data about your device, operating system, disk space, and Office download performs to measure and improve the installation process. Select your language and here select your Office version, or and also you can select here offline installer, then click on install. Now wait for few minutes, it's take some time. It's about 4.4 GB, and once you complete install and activate, you have the pin, you have the code in your email or card, and also you can activate using your mail and password. So thanks for watching. This is the way you can install Office in your Windows 10 or 11.